In this session, let us see a simple example for if-else. Let me create a new Java class. I am doing it in the same package. Let me give the class name as ifDemo. Remember, always the first letter of your class has to be in capital letters. If you don't give it in capital letters, it will not give you any error, but it is just going to give you a warning. Now, I am not going to select public static void main. Let me click finish. So now, inside this ifDemo, my public static void main method is not there. Is there any shortcut to add public static void main method? Of course, yes. Type main, control space. The main method syntax is shown over here. Press enter. So I have got the main method now. So it is main control space. Now what we will do is, we will try to get the greater of two numbers. So for that, let me create two variables. Int x is equal to 10, comma y equal to 20. Let us use the if statement. If x is greater than y, then curly brace. Always try to put the curly brace next to the statement only, whether it is a method or a class. This is the right way, or this is the right convention for Java. Now, if x is greater than y, then system.out.println x is greater. Else, as I told you, even if there is a single line, it is always better to add this within curly braces. Okay. This is a very simple program wherein I am checking the greater of two numbers. So now let me run it. So control F11, this printing y is greater. What if I am having three numbers? Now I have got x, y, z equal to 30. What we can do? We can use ladder if. I want to work with the short circuit AND. So let me just modify this code. If x is greater than y, double ampersand, x is greater than z, then system.out.println x is greater. Again we will go use else if y is greater than z, y is greater, else z is greater. Okay. Now what we have done? We have incorporated ladder if. Together with that we are using double ampersand. So double ampersand is used for checking two conditions together. So if x is greater than y and z, print x is greater. If the first condition is not satisfied, automatically it doesn't go and bother about the second condition. Automatically it will come to this else part. In else I am checking if y is greater than z. Already this part is checked, so I don't have to check it again. And now here I am printing y is greater, else print z is greater. So let me save this. Again control F11, z is greater. Now let us check whether it is working properly. Control S, control F11, x is greater. So this is all about simple if and ladder if. Thank you.